Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Check out these videos after you watch this one. Ray Mack's loaded chicken baked potato recipe. Ray Mack's shrimp and grits recipe. Make your mouth water. Ray Mack's savory pork chop and waffle recipe. And my latest video, homemade beef brisket barbecue rub. Let's get into the video. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. I know y'all enjoyed Memorial Day, and after that, man, after cooking and grilling or whatever, we got some leftovers. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what to do with some leftover boneless chicken breast, all right? So in this pan, I got like 3 pieces of leftover boneless chicken breast, all right? And I grilled these on the grill. And this is what I'm gonna do with my leftovers because I don't want to trash no meat, you feel me? So this is what I got, the ingredients. I got some boneless, some leftover chicken breast. I got a roll here, all right? And then I got me some Texas Pete, some dust dried seasoning, along with some Sriracha sauce with some ranch dressing. And I got some of this here Parkay squeeze. Don't come at me about this, y'all. Come on now. Then I got some a whole tomato, and then I have some lettuce, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and get our meat sliced up real quick. Let me grab a knife. All right, so the only thing we wanna do is just slice these this meat up. It's cold, and we're gonna warm it up and show you what I'm gonna do with this. And I hope you guys had a beautiful Memorial Day. And tell me some of the things that you do with your leftover memorial food, all right? I don't know how many of you guys go to like Chinese restaurants and you keep their little containers, but I like keeping these containers. So I got this first meat sliced. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right here on top of that. I'm gonna slice up another one here. And I'm gonna get some cheese. That's one thing that's missing, some cheese. So let me grab hold of some cheese real quick. Then we're gonna move that one right on up over here. So now that's 2 chicken breasts right there already. Okay, 2 chicken breasts. Let me grab some cheese real quick. All right. So the cheese that I want to put on top of this here grilled chicken, I want to use 2 types. I want to use the sharp cheddar cheese. Just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Put as much cheese as you want, it's yours. All right, so the next cheese that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use some of this here Swiss cheese. So this is what I pretty much do with my leftovers. So I got 1 slice of that Swiss, and I want to put on 1 more slice. All right. I refuse to waste food, y'all. I can't do it. I can't see myself wasting food. No way, no how. Okay, so Now what I want to end up doing, I want to take some of this here lemon pepper seasoning and just sprinkle it right on top. And just a little bit of the Italian herb seasoning right on top. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for at least around about a good 2 minutes until the cheese is melted the way that I like it, all right? In the microwave it goes. All right, what we wanna do now, cut this bread open. Cut your broiler on high on your oven. And I got some of this here Parkay. Just gonna squeeze it around. I want to toast this. Go ahead and slice this tomato. I think that'll be a good enough slices right there. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and slice this here up. All right. Now, I want to make me some sauce. So, first thing I'm gonna do, this is my everyday sauce, y'all. I love this sauce on sandwiches. I did a video making this sauce and putting it on some smoked sausages. I love this sauce. I swear I do. This is good on any kind of sandwich, in my opinion. So, I got some ranch in that, along with some sriracha. And then I want to put in some of this here Texas Pete dust seasoning. So there is a little salt in this here seasoning, so be careful on that. So I just want to whip that up real good. And she smells good, y'all, I'm telling you. You could definitely try this on some chicken wings. Blow your mind. That's good. All right. So we got our sauce. What I'm going to do is put these in the broiler right now. I just want those to toast up, and then we'll be ready to fix up this here plate. All right, we got our bread toasted up. All right, now what we're gonna do, this is our top bun and this is our bottom bun. I always like dressing up the bottom bun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little sauce right down here on the bottom. Then I want to take some of this here shredded lettuce, put that right on over there. And as your sandwich, you can pretty much put whatever fixings you like on your sandwich, make it your own, okay? Then I want to take some of these here tomatoes, hit it with that. Now what I'm gonna do, we got our chicken. All right. We got our sliced grilled chicken. And I'm gonna pile this mug. I'm gonna pile it. Yes. Look at that. Ooh. Yes, I'm gonna eat that. Take a little bit more of this sauce. Now look at that. You can't even see it. That's what you do with a leftover sandwich. Hey, thank you so much for checking out this here video. For all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this here YouTube channel. For those of you who are not members of Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Along with that, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos. Also, comment on this video. Let me know if you like the video. Give this video a thumbs up also. In all of my videos, I always say love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. And for all of you out there, know this: I love you.